Hey everyone, meet the OOONO CO-Driver NO2, the latest 2024 model designed to keep you safe on the road. This smart device warns you of speed cameras and danger points across Europe using one of the largest community networks worldwide. It activates automatically when your car starts and your phone is with you, giving visual alerts with a bright LED light ring that doesn't require app activation. The CO-Driver NO2 connects seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for real-time acoustic and visual warnings. It's rechargeable via USB-C, so you never have to worry about running out of battery during your drive. This device is easy for the whole family to use and helps you stay aware without distractions. Always remember to follow local traffic laws while enjoying the added safety this device offers. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.